We all had this experience when we enter a toilet in a bar or a restaurant and it is a mess. So let me show you how to avoid this. So your customer will never have this kind of experience in your establishment. You will find this checklist under the schedule part. That means that we are letting your employees know that they have to clean those toilets several times a day. It's very user friendly. We just have to tick on it and we have some tick box just to remind us how many items are here to clean, like this. In each checklist, we have a date and time stamp so we know who did the recordings. And we just enter our initials and put it at complete. So you, as the big boss, you will know exactly who did the recordings and when. Let me show you how customizable is this checklist by ticking on the correct checklist and entering the settings. What you are seeing on the right side is the preview mode, and that's the settings. So you can modify exactly the type of questions over here. You can add some, delete, or duplicate whatever is relevant to your organization. We can also modify the type of response. Maybe a yes/no answer will be more suitable for your operations, or maybe short answer and paragraph for some comments. See, you can modify exactly what you want in this application. Now, let's have a look at the report. This is where we have all the data collected into the application. So I'm just going to select the toilet checks for today and I will have my report. So I have one checklist done so far. I know that I was late to do it and I have the details below. All the non-compliance records will be highlighted in red. I can save this report so it will be on my report features whenever I need it, like this. I can come back to it whenever I need to do so. And the good news is that I can even schedule them on my mailbox, so they will land on this mailbox maybe on a daily basis. I can export them, CSV, PDF, Excel file, and even share them on my website so I can show my customer how well I'm following the cleaning checks. That's it for this short video. Bye!